Hello everyone! Today we'll be taking a detailed look and reviewing a 10x magnifying glass with light on an adjustable swing arm that can be mounted on a base or a clamp from KUVRS. Everything is packed very nicely, so let's get it all unboxed and have a quick look before I put it together. In the package, you have everything you need to use the magnifying glass. The package contains an adjustable arm with a magnifying glass and a long USB cable that you use to power the light, a power adapter, a desk clamp, a manual, a lens cloth, an Allen key, and rubber stick-on feet for grip and stability for the base. Putting it together is extremely simple. This is the USB cable with a control unit to adjust the brightness and color temperature of the light. Here is the clamp that you can use to attach to the table. Attaching the feet is very easy, which really improves the grip on the surface. And we're all set. Here are a few examples of me using the magnifying glass to switch the watch band, as well as a manicure, which I really enjoyed doing, as seeing my work in detail was very satisfying and easier to do. Here is an example of the light, which can be adjusted using the controls on the USB cable. By the way, this video is not sponsored. Okay, let's have a closer look. Finally, my husband had to fix his sunglasses, and with the help of the magnifying glass and the light, it made quite easy and quick to make. Overall, the sharpness and glass quality seems to be excellent. The built-in light on an adjustable arm is great, and the quality of all other parts is top-notch. Thank you for watching this quick review.